In today's video, I'll show you how to install 4K ReShade in WWE 2K19. All you have to do is check my video description for this download link. Select the download all option and it will start downloading as you can see. Now open up new tab and search ReShade and press enter. Select the official ReShade site. Select the download option and select download ReShade with full add-on support. ReShade has been download done. Go back to the link and as you can see both has been downloaded. Select this folder icon, right click on the reshade and select the WinRAR and select extract to option. After the extract done, now open the extracted folder and you have the ini file. Just go back and open the reshade setup and select OK and select the browse option, and you just need to navigate to the game folder guys. After you are in the game folder, select the game application file and select open option and select next. Select DirectX 10, 11, 12 and select next. And select the browse option and you just need to go to downloads folder and open the reshade folder we extracted. Again open it, select the configuration settings and select open option and select next. Select the skip option and successfully installed reshade. Select the finish option and now you can launch the game. After you are in game, you just need to press the home key in your keyboard and select continue option and again continue and go to settings and effect toggle key, set a key you like. I'm gonna set it to 1 and then go to home and select continue and select finish option and select reload. To close this panel, just press the home key and after in game I'll show you how to toggle on and off. After you are in game, just press the home key in your keyboard and just press the toggle key. In my case I set it to 1 and effects are disabled. Press 1 to enable them again. Just press the toggle key and to close this panel just press the home key and I'll show you guys before and after. Just this is after results and we are going to before results just by clicking on toggle key and this is before and this is after. Boom, after looks insanely good. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.